Hello everyone, I am Mas, the Colorlight overseas engineer. Today, I will introduce the all-in-one solution for you. Firstly, we're talking about the design background. With the repeat development of the 5-inch display, the demand for the LED display products are increasing. The customer need the product have more function, lower price, and different with others. To meet the customer growing demand for mini LED product and enhance the product's compatibility, we have upgraded the control systems, launching the all-in-one solution. And here are the advantages of it. Number one, all-in-one design, which means the receiving card, hub, and the power supply are integrated into one single unit. It made the product highly integrated and reduce the signal transmission risk. This will improve the signal's quality and make products more stable during the operations. Second, high cost effectiveness. The all-in-one design 1 compared with 3 help reduce cost while maintaining high performance, boosting the product's compatibility. It uses the FPGA chip integrate, which offers the super performance to meet the customer need for the custom functionality. And the next one is the efficient maintenance. The design is modular, just making install quickly and easy, and only one spare part need for the after-sale maintenance, which made the after-sale work more convenient and saves the time. The last one is the certification stand. The product design meets both domestic and international certification stands. Okay, that's all. And if you have more interesting in product specific, just feel free to contact us.